In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to use the W2B elements in the W2B builder. So, go to the W2B builder page. Hover over your store's name in the top left. Click on Visit Site. Then click on Edit with W2B Builder. You will be brought to this page. Click on W2B Elements. As you see, there are a lot of widgets you can use. Let's say I want to show the business hours. Click the business hours widgets and drag it to where you want it. If you click on Add Item, it will add a new text line. If you click on this, then a copy of this text line will be made. If you click on one of these boxes, then you can edit the content. You can edit the time. If you want to style the text, then make sure this is enabled. In the Style option, you can edit the appearances. And in the Advanced option, you can edit additional features. Back in the Style option, you can add a divider. You can change the alignment. You can use all these features to edit the appearance. In the Advanced option, you can add a motion effect. You can change the background. You can add a border. You can use all these features to decorate the widget. Another example. Let's say I want to show a price box. As you see, there are many customizations you could do. You can edit the General tab, the heading, the pricing, the content, the call to action. This tab is used to edit the button. And you can edit the ribbon. In the Style option, the same categories are present. You can style each of these categories. You can style the heading, the pricing. You can change the size and use many other features. The content. You can change the color, the background color, and many other features. And the call to action. Then there is the Advanced option. You can edit the Advanced tab, the motion effects. You can edit the background, the border, the positioning, and the responsiveness. You can choose to hide it on certain devices. These options are present for every widget. You can edit and style everything in the widget. Another example. Let's say I want to add a video gallery. In the Gallery tab, you can edit the videos. In the General tab, you can edit the general things such as the layout, columns, and other features. In the Filterable tab, if you enable this, it will display categories. You can choose to display a default category to users. You can choose to add a title. And you can choose to hide this from certain devices. Let's say I want to make a new category for this video. Just type the category name you want this video to be in. As you see, a new category has been added. And the video is displayed under that category. In the Style option, you can edit the appearances. In the Advanced option, you can edit additional things. You can edit the same things as I mentioned in the previous widget. The Advanced option is generally the same for all the widgets. There are lots of W2B widget elements that you can use to improve your website's appearance. That's all you need to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for future tutorial videos.